الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Today I would like to speak about Imam Ali alayhi salam. He was born on 13 Rajab 600 AD. He had many titles like Haydar, Abu Turab and Asadullah. His father Abu Talib and his mother Fatima bint Asad. Just before he was born, his mother came to the holy Kaaba. As she stood there, she felt intense pain and knelt down to pray. When she raised her head from prayers, the wall of the building split by a miracle. Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib and some of his companions were amazed to watch as he went into the building which closed behind her. Soon the news of the miraculous event had spread around Mecca. She stayed in the holy Kaaba for 3 days, and on the 4th day she stepped out holding her baby in her arms. The child had squeezed his eyes tight and had not opened it since birth. When she came out of the holy Kaaba, she saw the holy Prophet waiting anxiously to receive the newborn baby. He knew that this child would grow up to strengthen the cause of Islam and prove to be his right hand in the great mission which lay ahead. When Prophet Muhammad took Imam Ali in his arms, he opened his eyes for the first time to look upon the blessed face of the Prophet. In Nahjul Balagha, Imam Ali alayhi salam says that the Prophet brought me up in his own arms and fed his own morsel. I followed him wherever he went like a baby camel following its mother. Each day a new part of his character would become known to me, and I would follow and accept it as a command. His childhood was spent in the company of the Holy Prophet, and Imam Ali was similar in his character, knowledge, patience, bravery, and kindness. From his infancy, he prostrated to Allah with the Holy Prophet. After the declaration of prophethood, Imam Ali was always ready to serve the Holy Prophet and defend him from his enemies. He used to write down the verses of the Holy Quran and discuss them with the Holy Prophet as soon as they were revealed to him. His matchless devotion lasted up to the day when the Holy Prophet passed away in 11 AH. Prophet Muhammad said to Imam Ali that you are my brother in this world and the hereafter. Nobody knows Allah except I and Ali. Nobody knows Ali except Allah and I. Nobody knows me except Allah and Ali. If you want to see the knowledge of Adam, the piety of Nuh, the devotion of Ibrahim, the awe of Musa, and the services and devotion of Isa, look upon the bright face of Imam Ali alayhi salam. I would like to end my speech with the Prophet's hadith. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم أنا مدينة العلم وعلي بابها. I am the city of knowledge and Ali is its gate. Salawat.